Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Homes.com app, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Homes.com app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android devices, find and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Homes.com and hit enter. Look for the Homes.com app in the search results. Ensure that you select the correct app by checking the logo and developer name. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to open its page. Review the app details and read any reviews if desired. When you are ready, tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading onto your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Homes.com app. You may be prompted to grant permissions for location services or notifications. Follow the prompts to allow the necessary permissions. After that, you will reach the app's welcome screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You are now ready to start using the Homes.com app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.